greater is than the sum of its part by Aristotle. From his work Metaphysics. It is the one of earliest philosophical expression of what modern science now calls complexity or emergence. Although Aristotle lived long before the development of system theory or complexity science. His insight reveals a deep understanding of how unity and interaction give rise to new properties that cannot be explained by analyzing the parts alone. As its course, Aristotle quote suggests that when the individual components come together to form a system, the resulting whole possesses qualities and behavior that are not found in any single component. In other words, something new and greater emerges from their interconnection. This complexity aligns perfectly with the principles of complexity theory, which studies how relationship, feedback loops, and interdependencies among parts create systems that exhibit unpredictable or self-organizing behavior. In complexity theory, this phenomenon is known as emergence. The idea that complex patterns or behaviors arise from the interaction of simple elements. For example, in nature, an ant colony demonstrates remarkable intelligence even though no single ant possesses that level of understanding. Each ant follows simple rules, but together their collective behavior results in organized systems of food gathering, nest building, and defense. Similarly, in the human brain, billions of neurons interact to produce consciousness, a property far more intricate than the activity of individual neurons. This example reflects Aristotle's notion that the whole, whether it is an organism, an ecosystem, or a society, cannot be reproduced to or understood solely through its parts. Aristotle's insight also challenges the reductionist approach to knowledge, which attempts to understand complex phenomena by breaking them down into smaller isolated parts. Aristotle quote, "The whole is greater than the sum of its parts," beautifully anticipates the central idea of complexity. It reminds us that connection creates meaning, that interactions generate new possibilities, and that wholeness reveals truth that isolation conceals. Whether in science, nature, or human experience, Aristotle's wisdom teaches us that understanding complexity requires a shift from seeing parts in isolation to seeing patterns in relationship. For it is within those relationships that the true richness of the world